Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a milestone day. Today is episode 100. Alright, so I'm finally at 100 videos in this series and we're just going to keep pushing. We're going to keep pushing out content. Alright, so today I just wanted to do a recap of the week that passed. So this is pretty much the numbers for the week, which is from May 6th to May 10th, 2024. So here you guys can see I'm showing you my buys. So for the week on QQQ, my buys were $1,063. Then my buys on SPY for the week were $427. So total I spent purchasing QQQ and SPY options for the week was $1,490. As far as sales for the week on sales, I did 1,291 on QQQ, and on SPY, I did 616 for a grand total of 1,907. So when you subtract the 1,490 from the 1,907, my profit for the week was 417. And as you guys know, a portion of this, roughly about a third, goes back into buying more ETFs and stocks. The primary purpose of me doing these trades with the ETFs is just to get additional funds so that I can deposit towards my long-term goals. So a portion of this goes back to, like I said, reinvested in my long-term stocks. Another portion goes back to increasing my working capital, and your working capital is the funds that you have available for trades. All right. And then the rest, I pretty much, I pay myself. I do whatever I want with it. But that's pretty much the breakdown for the week. So it's not ideal. That's not my goal. My goal is to make 200 a week, 200 a day, which would really equal to about 1,000 per week just trading these ETFs. But we're still learning, we're still growing, and it's going to be documented along the way. So let's go ahead now and hop into Robinhood. As you guys know, I like to show you the receipts. A lot of people show screenshots. I'll show you my receipts as well. All right. So let's go ahead and hop into Robinhood, and we'll first take a look at QQQ. All right. So we have the first option here pulled up in QQQ. So as you can see, it's May 6th. It's a 441 call. So this was on Monday, but this was actually a swing. As you can see, the expiration date is 5/10. So I bought this on Monday, but this swing was set to expire on Friday. And the reason I did that, I explained to you guys in the previous video that I was going to start incorporating swings just to try and hedge against some of that, like afternoon session volatility with regards to the options that expire the same day. As you guys know, those options that expire the same day, they get really volatile once you get into that afternoon session, and then Robinhood automatically closes them out at 3:30. So if I see, my target a little bit further away, like later on in the afternoon, I'm going to start picking up a couple of swings as well, just to kind of balance things out. All right, so I got in on this one, 441 call, expires 5/10. I put down 199, and we go up here. This is a reoccurring buy. Then we went ahead and we sold it the next day. So we got it the 6th, we sold it the 7th, and we sold for 287. All right. Then that same day, I went ahead and got a QQQ call, 442.57. I got 3 contracts for 147, and I ended up selling that for 213 right here. All right. So if you look here, it just shows I pretty much paid like 49 cents per contract here. And then when I end up selling each contract for 71 cents. All right. So we go up the line here, and we'll see at this point I got May 8th. I got the 442 call. This expires the same day as you see the expiration date. So this is a ODTE option. Got 6 contracts at 33, and I end up selling here at 43. So 442 call, got in here, sold here, So got for 33, 6 contracts, and sold here for 258. All right, so pretty much made about $10 or 60 bucks on this. Then I got this contract too, and I think this is the one that I end up. Was this the one I lost on? I'm not sure. No, this was a swing. So May 8th, I also got a swing, and this was for 269. And then if we scroll back up, May 9th, I tried to do this one. This one was canceled. And then for the 437 put, this is the one I lost on. So I got this put, long story, but got 5 contracts, 50 cents a contract, end up selling at 33 cents. So this significantly hurt my profits for the week. Then that 440 call that you guys see that I got down here for 269, I end up selling for 368. So I made like $99 on this one. And then this is just me doing another purchase, just averaging in to QQQ with a market buy of 18 bucks. All right, so let's go ahead now and pull up SPY and take a look at those receipts for the week. All right, so here we are in SPY now. As you can see, it started off with a recurring investment. Then I actually didn't get into SPY, as you see, somewhere around like May 9th. And I think it's when I took that loss on that put on QQQ, I switched over to SPY. But I got one contract here for 197. It's a 518 call expiring on the 13th, right? So this was a swing as well. This was for Monday. And then we go back up here. 518 call, boom, boom, boom. I got out at 298. So I got in at 197, got out at 298, and I think here I made like around probably like $101. So from here to here, 197 sold at 298, 518 call, expires 513. So this was another swing. All right, so from here to here. Then we got this 523 call. I got 3 contracts at 54 cents, right? And then if we go back up, the 523 call, I end up getting out at 2 contracts for 174. So I kind of just like took profits here. So you see, I sold 2 and I was already up. And then the final one I sold for 103. So just off the top of my head here, you're talking 277. And I got in at 162. So I made $100 and something from here to here as well. All right, if we scroll back up, this is May 10th. I got a put here, and I don't know why. The puts weren't doing me justice, man. I was off on the puts. I got this one, 519, expires 510. It got crushed. Same day, right? 41, I end up selling it for 22. So I lost like, I believe like 19 bucks here. Then I tried another one. It got canceled, went in again. And at this point, I should have just stopped trading. But notice something that I'm doing also, guys. I'm actually reducing my position. After I made some nice runs, I just started going back in. But I went back in with like really small positions. So I got this one at 27. I ended up selling at 19. So I lost like 8 bucks from here to here. And after that, I pretty much just stopped for the day. But I got one more swing. And this swing now was for one contract, 104, and this expires Monday, which is tomorrow. I'm doing this video on Sunday. So this one hasn't been executed yet, obviously, so I didn't put it into the numbers. But based on what I'm seeing, if everything goes good, I should be able to execute on this one tomorrow as well, being profitable. All is well. All right. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I didn't show you guys any kind of charting. Obviously, this is too much to show charting. But if you're like interested in like how I do the charts, usually I'll do at least probably like 2 or 3 videos for the week, just like breaking down my previous plays for the day. And that's when I'll really show charting. You guys could go back and take a look at, exactly what's going on there. But yeah. That's the numbers for the week. I ended up with $417 profit. If we look here, just wanted to point out to you that when you see this number of total buys, that's just me going up, adding all the money that I put out for the day. So that's all the capital that I put out for the day. and then you add it up, and this is the total capital that was put up for the week. So this was my working capital for the week that was put out, and this was what I sold for, and this was my ROI right here. All right, so that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching the video today, guys. I hope you found this information useful. If you do, please go ahead and subscribe. I make new videos like this every day. Go ahead and also like this video and share it with a family member or friend. And towards the end, you'll see some more of my popular videos. Please go ahead and click on one and watch another video. Thanks again for watching this. I do appreciate it. Y'all stay safe and have a blessed day. Peace.